Hey everyone, welcome to the PDNob channel. Are you still downloading extra apps just to edit a PDF, only to find out they're not even free after you install them? You could be wasting both time and money without realizing there's a much easier way. Firefox now lets you edit PDFs right inside your browser for completely free. Subscribe for more practical tech tutorials like this. Now let me show you what it can do. First, open Firefox. I already have a PDF here. Simply drag and drop the PDF into your browser. One of the most useful new features is that Firefox now lets you rearrange PDF pages. Click the Pages icon in the top left corner to open the Page panel. Now you can simply drag and drop pages to change their order. It's quick and incredibly easy. If you need to remove a page, just select the page you don't want, then click this Manage button. You can see Delete here. Click it. You can also copy and paste pages using this feature. Firefox also includes plenty of useful annotation tools in the top right corner. You can highlight important text, underline it, add comments, insert sticky notes, draw with the pen tool, and even add text directly onto the PDF. For example, I'll highlight the key points in this report. Then I'll add a text box to include some extra notes. You can also draw shapes or freehand annotations. And if you need to add an image, simply choose the Add Image tool. Select a picture from your computer, then resize and position it anywhere in the document. As you can see, Firefox handles most everyday PDF editing tasks completely free, without installing any extra software. It's perfect for things like reviewing reports, filling out documents, adding notes for school or work, signing forms, or organizing PDF pages. However, Firefox does have one limitation. It can't make a PDF fully editable like a Word document. You can't directly modify the original text or completely change the document layout. If you need to do more than Firefox can, I recommend a free tool, PDNob PDF Editor. It includes powerful OCR technology. OCR, or optical character recognition, converts scanned PDFs into fully editable text while keeping the original formatting. I've added the free download link in the description below. Here's how it works. Open your PDF in PDNob. You'll automatically see the Perform OCR button at the top. Click it. Choose the correct document language for better recognition accuracy. Then click Perform OCR again. After just a few seconds, the conversion is complete. Now every paragraph can be selected and edited just like a Word document. You can change the wording, fix typos, adjust fonts, or update the content without recreating the entire PDF. Besides advanced editing, PDNob also includes all the annotation tools you need, including highlights, comments, drawings, text boxes, and much more. Now you can edit PDFs like a pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.